Did you know that 84% of digitalization projects fail? According to experts, this is due to three main reasons: lack of skills, excess data, and cultural resistance. In the case of the railway sector, complexity and digital entropy is being generated over the years with the acquisition of sensors, monitoring devices and information systems, and even developments of the companies themselves. Sending information to some database for an app, a desktop application, or simply to be stored on a server of the manufacturer. The answer to these problems is DAVANA, the holistic digitization platform, designed specifically to respond to the needs of automation, predictive analysis, condition-based maintenance, digital twins and more, as well as develop new tools and standardize digitalization, rationalizing storage, ensuring scalability, and simplifying operations. DAVANA proposes a backbone solution for the company's strategy, providing specialized capabilities in the sector, global vision, and experience with the best digitalization solutions in production. Demonstrating profitability from the first day through savings, improved availability, and operational efficiency. We have the best team of multidisciplinary professionals working to deploy the use cases that are needed at all times, and providing the knowledge acquired in the ecosystem of DAVANA users from the rest of the planet. Don't let your vision fail.